What happens when an ambassador's wife crashes into a 68-year-old Korean War veteran's car while drunk, then walks into Judge Frank Caprio's courtroom claiming diplomatic immunity? This woman is about to learn that some privileges don't exist. Some immunity claims are worthless, and some husbands lose everything when their wives hide behind diplomatic shields. But what makes this case devastating isn't just the drunk driving. It's what happened when Judge Caprio made one phone call to the State Department that ended her immunity and her husband's diplomatic career. It's a Thursday afternoon in Providence Municipal Court. Victoria Ashford, age 42, wife of British Ambassador Sir James Ashford, faces charges of DUI causing property damage, leaving the scene, failure to render aid, and obstruction of justice. 6 days ago, at 3:47 p.m., Victoria's black Range Rover ran a stop sign at 45 MRR and T-boned a parked Toyota Camry. The Camry belonged to 68-year-old James Park, a Korean War veteran inside a medical supply store, buying mobility equipment for his wife recovering from hip surgery. The impact deployed airbags and pushed the Camry 15 feet into a fire hydrant. Security footage shows Victoria exiting her Range Rover, unsteady, inspecting damage for 45 seconds, then driving away. No information left. No call to police. No check if anyone was hurt. Police tracked her to the ambassador's residence within 30 minutes. Victoria appeared at the door, visibly intoxicated. When Officer Martinez attempted a field sobriety test, she refused. "I have diplomatic immunity. I'm the wife of the British ambassador. You have no authority over me. Leave immediately or I will have you reported." Embassy legal counsel arrived and blocked the investigation. After a 3-day standoff, the State Department ruled Victoria's conduct wasn't covered by diplomatic immunity. She was arrested and released on $50,000 bail. Now Victoria enters Judge Caprio's courtroom wearing a purple Chanel suit, gold jewelry, designer sunglasses. Her entrance communicates one message: "I don't belong here." The bailiff calls the case. Judge Caprio reviews charges carefully. "Mrs. Ashford, you are charged with 4 separate offenses. How do you plead?" Her attorney stands. "Your Honor, my client is the wife of the British ambassador and is protected by diplomatic immunity. This court lacks jurisdiction." Judge Caprio raises his hand. "Mr. Whitmore, the State Department already ruled your client's conduct is not covered by diplomatic immunity. We have correspondence disputing that determination. Unless you can show me a federal court order preventing these proceedings, we're moving forward." Victoria stands. "Your Honor, I understand perfectly, but you need to understand something. I am the wife of the British ambassador. I have diplomatic immunity. This entire proceeding is a waste of everyone's time and an embarrassment to diplomatic relations." The courtroom falls silent. Did she just lecture Judge Caprio? Judge Caprio removes his glasses slowly. "Ms. Ashford, I've been on this bench for over 30 years. Please sit down. Your Honor, one phone call to the State Department and this entire matter will disappear. Mrs. Ashford, are you threatening this court? I'm simply stating facts. Sit down, Mrs. Ashford." She sits. If you're not subscribed, hit that button because what Judge Caprio does next will show you what happens when someone uses diplomatic immunity to avoid accountability for hurting a Korean War veteran. "Where is Mr. Park?" Judge Caprio asks. The prosecutor gestures toward an elderly Korean man wearing a Korean War veteran's cap. "Your Honor, Mr. Park is here." "Mr. Park, would you please stand?" James Park stands slowly with a cane. Small, wearing simple clothes, standing with quiet dignity. "Thank you for being here, and thank you for your service." Park nods. "Thank you, Your Honor." "Mrs. Ashford, do you see that gentleman? He's 68 years old. He's a Korean War veteran. 6 days ago, you crashed into his car and drove away without leaving any information, without checking if he was okay." Judge Caprio signals the clerk. "Let's see the security footage." The video plays, Victoria's Range Rover speeding, running the stop sign completely, T-boning the Camry with devastating force. The Camry spins into a fire hydrant, water sprays. Victoria exits, unsteady,